So this is one of the assignments that we have to do. This is a painting of how you grow a seed. The brown part shows the earth, that's the soil. You put the seed in a soil. Then the next day, that's this one is showing the night, that's the next day. Then after some days, the seed will germinate and grow into a flower. So I'm going to do the painting. We use plain sheets. We use this plain sheet. And we have some crayons here to show different colors. And we have a gum. I have my gum here because this brown paper. I'm supposed to use the painting to do it, but I have a brown paper already. I will simply use gum. I will glue it to the white paper. It's as simple as that. Okay? So let's start. I'll get my white paper. I look for the matching color. Yeah, I would need to drop this camera, but I'll start with the crayon, the blue crayon. Then I'll start by shading. I will show you guys to get the one of blue sky. That's that one over there. Then after I will use black crayon for this one, the night. And I'll stick my brown pepper as the earth. And I'll go and find the seed, or if possible, I'll draw it and show how it germinates. So let's get started. So here we are. I've already done the sky. So now I will cut out the parts that is like the excavation of the soil. When you look at this drawing they have here, see this part? They cut it out from this brown paper before they put the seeds. So I'm going to cut my brown pepper to be like that also. I'll do something like this. I will use gum. This is gum. I will apply gum here and allow it to dry. Then I will lay my brown pepper on top of it to get the part that is the soil. Okay, so here we go. This is the brown pepper. I'll place it on it and press it down. You didn't cover well. Okay, when I press it down, the gum has not covered all the places, all the surfaces. I'll still add here because if not, it will not be glued. This is what I have. Then I'll go further to cut it. This is what I have now. I have the soil and the sky. The blue is the sky. Then I put my seed. I'm going to use the marker. I've got black marker here. So I'll use the marker to draw the seed. So this is the seed, because when you want to plant a seed, you put it inside the soil. Okay? You see the pepper I cut out before as part of the soil. I'll put it back because when you plant a seed, you remove the soil. After, you put back the soil to cover the seed so that it can germinate. So I'll still bring it back. So we cover the soil back with the seed. You see the black stuff inside there? Then this one, I've come up with the night part of it. That's the second drawing. If you look at the second drawing there, this part, the second one, this is what we're going to do now. Right now, I've got another brown pepper. Then I will ruffle it, because normally if you want to plant a seed, you till the land, you cultivate the land. So when I squeeze it like this, that means I'm tilling the land. The paper will not be straight again, and I will place it on my drawing, because I've already got the first part is the night with moon showing. The moon is shining. Then this is the part of the soil. I will shade this part to cover for it. I think it's now okay. So what I will do, I will now gum the brown pepper that will serve as the soil. Then I continue my drawing. I apply my gum basically here towards the lower part. I'll carefully place the brown pepper on top of the white pepper and make sure it sticks on it. This is what I have after doing that. We now design our seeds. So I finally added my seed here, the black dots showing. The next step is to draw the final one, which is the floor. This is the third one. That's the next step. I'm going to get on again, look for another paper. To first of all look at the brown paper and cover here. I will demarcate where I want the brown paper to be, here at the middle. Then I'll draw the floor before I will do my blue coloring. I will squeeze it again as part of detailing the soil. Then I will apply my gum. Come with my gum again. I'll go in here. Then you place it here. And you stretch it out so that it can be glued to the white paper. Again, I bring in my scissors and trim the paper so that it will be of equal length with the white paper. So I've got my brown area, that is the soil, and we'll start painting. The floor is red. So I will use marker to finish up. This is what I have here. So this is what I have. The plant is growing. It has germinated. You see? So finally, this is what I've got. The plant has germinated. It has grown into a flower, which is the third drawing here. So in all, I have 3 drawings. The first one, you plant a seed, you put it in the soil. After the night, of course, you put water with sunlight. It gets to the night, after some days, it germinates. It grows into a beautiful flower. And this will wrap up the video. We're gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.